everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'll be discussing with you writing task 1, and the question for today is the diagrams below show the present and planned developments in the biomedical campus of university. Summarize the information by selecting reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So we are given a biomedical campus, the present structure and a planned structure of the building, that how it will look in the future. Let's see. We can see a lot of transformation would be there, but we can see there would be a lot of deforestation as well. A lot of plants we can see recently, but there will be hardly 1 or 2 plants as one is in the figure. So there will be deforestation as well. So the map depicts the current layout of a biomedical campus as well as the projected adjustments for the future. So what are the plans for the future? We can see in the map. Okay, so it is given the current layout or current planning or the future planning. Overall, numerous improvements appear to be in future. The new features, however, would result in a loss of greenery on the campus. So we can see that a lot of improvements will be there, a lot of buildings will be there, but due to these new features, these new features will result in a loss of greenery on the campus. The campus is currently divided into 2 sections by a central east-west route. So currently, due to this route, east-west route, a road can be seen. It is divided into 2 parts. A parking area is located in the northeast side, although the rest of the areas is covered by the trees. So here we can see that northeast side we can see a car park. The rest of the area is covered with the trees. A north-south pathway divides the southern part into 2 sections. Now this pathway also divides the southern part into 2 sections, which is having genetics and a genetic department, biotech department and a lab, biochemistry lab and some trees. The biochemistry unit is situated in the west, while the biotech genetics section is in the east. So we can see that biochemistry is in the west and this is in the biotech is in the east, while the biotech and genetics section is in the east of the walking path. There is a lab in each of these zones. So in each of these zones, means in biochemistry and biotech, we can see a lab is there. So now in the next paragraph, we will be discussing that what will happen in future. What are their future plans? In future, the northern half of the parking lot will be designated as the students' parking lot. So now this parking lot has been designated as students parking lot, and a new parking lot we can see for Star car park and near the biochemistry department. And a new triangular parking lot will be constructed southwest of the campus for staff. A new bioimaging department is also being built in the northern portion. So in the northern portion we can also see a bioimaging department and genetic one also. The biotechnology and biochemistry departments will be extended and a new genetic laboratory will be constructed in the university's northeast corner. So we have seen that biotechnology and biochemistry department will be expanded. This is also expanded and this is also expanded. And a new genetics department, a new genetic lab, it's not laboratory, it's a new genetic department we can say, will be constructed in the university's northeast corner. So this is the northeast corner of the university. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.